Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are looking for a gently natural face wash that hydrates, brightens and leaves your skin glowing, you are in the right place. Today I am reviewing the Forever Living Radiance Face Wash and trust me, you do not want to miss this. Forever Living Radiance Face Wash is a gently hydrating cleanser designed to enhance your skin care routine by combining natural ingredients with scientific precision. The natural key ingredients are aloe vera, deeply hydrates and soothes the skin, lysoracy extract, helps even outer skin tone and reduce dullness. Sisa and moringa oil calm irritated skin and strengthen your skin barrier. What are the key benefits of Forever Radiance Face Wash? Deep cleansing without dryness effectively removes dirt, oil, and impurities while preserving the skin's naturally moisture barrier. Second, hydration and nourishment. Infused with aloe vera, it provides deep hydration, leaving the skin soft and supple. Brightening and even skin tone. Lysoracy extract helps calm and irritation and contributes to more even complexion. Natural glow enhancement. Bamboo extract promotes a natural glow, revitalizing dull skin. Cell renewal. Apple extract supports cell renewal, enhancing skin validity, suitable for all types. Designed to be gently yet effective, making it appropriate for daily use across various skin types, including sensitive skin. How to use: wet your face, apply small amount of face wash, gently massage, rinse through with water. For optimal result, use twice as part of your morning and evening skincare routines. Forever Radiance Face Wash is available through Forever Living distributor from authorized seller to guarantee products and authenticity. If you need assistance locating a distributor in Bhubaneswar or a further question about the product, feel free to ask. After using this consistently, my skin feels smoother, more hydrated, and there is definitely a healthy glow. It did not irritate my skin at all, and the natural fragrance is super refreshing. If you are looking for a face wash that gently effective and packed with natural waste, definitely check out Forever Radiance Face Wash. Don't don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more honest skincare reviews, and let me know in the comments what is your favorite face wash. Until next time, stay radiant.